and we're going to come in here to send a message. So we're going to add the unsubscribe functionality in the email that we send them. Okay, so let's come back over here, and I'm just going to paste the link that I just copied right below. All right, and what we're going to do is just put a question mark, an equal sign, and then we're going to just drag over the affiliate ID from the previous node. And so now what that does is it dynamically maps their affiliate ID, which is linked in the Airtable database, so that if this person decides to unsubscribe, we're going to build it in such a way that that webhook is going to get triggered and trigger them to be unsubscribed within Airtable. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so I have some pinned data in here that we're going to use just for illustration purposes. But what we're going to do next is first search records in Airtable. So we need an Airtable node. We're going to be search records. And this is what the webhook is going to look like whenever somebody clicks that button that says unsubscribe at the bottom of their email. So this is how we're going to map it. So I'm going to connect it to the appropriate Airtable database and to the subscribers table. And we're going to add this formula. So we're going to put curly brackets, first promoter ID, and close curly brackets, space, equals. And then we are going to drag and drop their first promoter ID from this webhook. So if we scroll all the way down, right here under where it says query, this ID, that is what we're looking for. So we're going to drag and drop it. And so it's going to look like this. So basically what this is going to be telling Airtable is search for the record where the first promoter ID is 12345. So if I come over to my Airtable database, that's going to be this record right here. And so as you can see, it's currently subscribed. And what we're going to do is instruct Airtable to uncheck this box, thereby unsubscribing them from our emails. Okay, so we're going to execute this step. And so you can see that it found that record. And so now we're going to come back to our canvas and add an Airtable node where we're going to update a record, because we're going to tell Airtable, hey, we want you to uncheck that subscribe box. Okay, so once again, connecting it to the base and table, my subscribers table. And so I'm going to use the Airtable ID to match. So I'm just going to drag and drop that from the search records node. And I'm going to delete everything, email, first name, last name, and first promoter ID. And then I'm going to leave this subscribed button toggled off. And so